Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. This will be my first cooking and more specifically baking video, so that's pretty exciting. It all started with a place called Pie Hole in the Los Angeles area. They have an Earl Grey flavor that I really like, but they're temporarily closed, maybe permanently closed. I haven't found a good substitute around me. But that's the whole point of having a DIY channel. I could make the thing I'm looking for. Let's do some research and see what's out there. Okay, I like cheesecake more than pie, so we are going with this Reddit post. They deleted their account, but they did include the original post from around the dining table. I will make sure to include that. Ingredients look pretty simple. Instructions look straightforward for a beginner. Let's go shopping. I'm back from shopping. I checked Target first, but they didn't have this 6-inch pan. Luckily, Walmart did. Let's bring everything inside. I'm gonna start by leaving the eggs and cream cheese out to get to room temperature and start heating up the heavy cream. I'm not too sure about the tea in the heavy cream because it's not seeping like it would in hot water. So I have it cooking on a pretty low heat. I ended up going with 250 grams. The recipe calls for 180. So I'm guessing I'll have to remeasure it once I remove all the tea bags. Let's preheat, measure the other stuff, and get the pan ready. I got 500 grams of cream cheese. The videos I've seen said to crumple and squish parchment paper into the pan. And for the tea, I've been pressing it against the side to squeeze out as much flavor as we can. Let's finish measuring stuff. All done measuring. I did have to add a little cream to that to get it back up to 180. I'm gonna crack the last egg for B-roll footage. I think this will be a good workout, hand mixing the cream cheese, sugar, and salt. Let's get started. I understand now why people have a stand mixer. My arm is a little tired. I prefer this spatula over the whisk. Now let's incorporate one egg at a time. After the first egg went in, it was a lot quicker to whisk, so I added the eggs one at a time and then the heavy cream. Let's pour it in the pan and get it in the oven to bake. It wasn't browning after 30 minutes, so I ended up putting my oven on broil for another 5-10 minutes. Maybe it's just a really weak oven. Hopefully it's not overcooked. There's still a little jiggle to it. Let's let it cool. Moment of truth. I was a little nervous that the Earl Grey wouldn't get infused into the heavy cream, but I think like the recipe was saying, 8 bags was probably enough, but I'm glad I tried 10 because I really wanted to get that Earl Grey flavor. I have a newfound respect for food and baking channels because it's kind of hard to eat and talk at the same time. Some of the artistic fancy shots were pretty challenging to do and kind of fun. I really enjoyed trying a different style of video. Next time, I will probably bake it at 475 instead of 425 so the outside gets burnt and the inside stays a little bit more creamy. But overall, super happy. It tastes like a pretty good cheesecake. I am not an experienced baker. I feel like this recipe was straightforward, easy to do. Everyone should try it. And video 231 done.